Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to go over the first 200 miles with the 6.0. So we finished the truck yesterday for me. We drove it a little bit last night. We drove it to go eat and back. But today we got out filming the reveal video. I wanted to get some cinematic stuff for it. And again, we've put between 200 and 300 miles on the truck today, and I wanted to kind of make a video and talk about a little more in depth of the like my first impressions of the truck now that it's finished. I will update these as we go, but anyway, I guess we'll get right into it. So y'all know, prior to installing the lift, we had some death wobble. The shocks were junk. The tires were scooping because the front end was out of line. I mean, there was a cluster of issues, to be completely honest. And that was the whole point of wanting to get the lift and everything done before summertime got here. So, again, between 200 and 300 miles on it in 24 hours or so. And I will say, I absolutely love it. My grandpa drove the truck, or no, he hasn't drove the truck. I've been trying to get him to drive the truck. He's rode with me this morning. He loves the truck. I love the truck. It drives great. I went to some places where I knew it would death wobble with the old setup, and it wouldn't. I couldn't make it do it all day today. The roughest roads, hitting spots that I knew every time before it did it, and we're good. No death wobble. This thing rides super smooth. It's super nice. It's quiet. It doesn't pull. I think there was one spot in the road where it was just a long straightaway, and it's a pretty rough road. Let go of the steering wheel, both hands off the steering wheel, and just let it go. And it went for 3/4 of a mile, almost a mile, with no input on my end. Just straight as can be. And, had to turn. So, I'm very, very impressed with this truck as far as that goes. The new Maxxis tires, and also, I thought I mentioned, this is a 3-inch rough country lift with 33 1250 R20 Maxxis ATs, Razor ATs, 12 ply tires. And they're quiet, they're smooth, they drive good, the truck rides good, the truck drives phenomenally. I am very, very happy. I would venture to say this truck, this 8,000 pound 2006 F250 with 261,000 miles, rides better than the blue truck. Well, it obviously rides better than the white truck, and I would also be willing to say it probably rides better than the 300. I haven't got to drive the 300 very much, just kind of up the road and back, but from what I have seen, I think this drives better than the 300, comfort wise. Now, also, I will say, I had a little concern of losing power with going to these all-terrains versus the street tires. These are much heavier, and I will say, I don't think we've lost anything. So, I'm very happy about that. These are a little bit shorter of a tire than the I think there were 17s or 18s that I had on here before. The tires are a little bit shorter, bigger wheel. This thing rides great. I don't know what kind of air pressure they have in them. It's whatever the tire shop put in them when I had them mounted. But the thing rides great. It does great. It's super quiet. I can't wait to get the headliner back up in here and make it just that much nicer and that much quieter, because y'all know that headliner is like double thickness and it does have some sound deadening to it. So I'm super ready to get that headliner done, get it back here in the truck. And like I mentioned in another video, I messaged a couple companies to get prices on suede, because we're going to do the headliner in black suede with a starlight, and nobody will answer me, so I guess nobody wants money. But anyway, we'll figure it out. We'll get some suede for this thing one way or another. If I have to order it on Amazon, I will. I just wanted to try to give some companies some business, but if they don't want business, they don't want business. So Amazon, I know Amazon will take my money and be happy to. But anyway, I mean, this thing in the last, this year has really taken a good turn, and I love it. Super smooth now. We got a nice sound system in the thing. We got a nice radio with a backup camera. Like I said, next is I want to get the headliner done, and I want to get the AC stuff installed in this thing. But I'm probably going to take a little break from working on this and just working on stuff in general. My birthday, it's already passed for y'all, but for me it's coming up in like 10 days. So I'm probably going to take that whole week off and just enjoy the week. And then I know my grandpa wants to get out here and clean up a bunch there in front of the shop. So we'll have to get that done at some point. I figured I'd help him do that since he helps me with the truck here. So we're going to do that. I'm not going to film any of that. I'm not going to bore y'all with that. But I think that's going to be next for this thing. AC. And when we do the AC, I have some other stuff that I want to put on here as well. I have a coolant filter kit. We're going to flush the cooling system. Go ahead and replace the coolant. Get some fresh coolant in this thing. Again, the new AC stuff. So we should have AC in this thing this summer, hopefully, if everything goes right. Knock on wood. But I mean, again, I'm super happy with it. So I can't wait to do some more driving in this thing this week, and we're gonna see what it's all about. And then I guess at some point we're gonna get started back on the white truck and the 300. The 300 I really want to get done because I have some stuff I want to do to this truck. Well, even like the AC stuff. It's probably going to be tore down for a week or so, because I've been trying to start doing things and not rushing it. So, it'll probably be a week. We'll take our time, make sure everything's good. So I'd like to have the 300 done. That way I can drive it and not have a vehicle. So I think we're probably going to jump on the 300 here sometime pretty soon. Like I said, we want to get that clean down there. We want to do some more cleaning in the shop, and then we'll get the 300 in when we can have some nice weather like we're having today, and have about a week or so worth of mid to low 70s. That would be great. I do need to do some more body work. I need to get the car sanded, but I do have the paint. So we need to do the body work, get the thing done, get everything primed, sand the car down, paint it, and we'll let it sit for about a week, let the paint fully cure, and then we can go back together with it. But, I mean, again, back to the 6.0. I do have a bunch of stuff planned for this truck this year, this kind of, phase 2 type of deal. So y'all be sure to stay tuned for that. But anyway, guys, I guess that's going to be a wrap for today's video. Like I said, I kind of want to just go over, the first couple 100 miles with the thing. And, again, I will do some more updates along the way. But, guys, that is going to be a wrap for today's video. So, with that being said, if y'all enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope everybody has a great day.